Hello everyone, and welcome to the next video in the Working Environments module. In this video, we will install the Jupyter Notebook, an environment heavily used for learning Python, but also for exercises, trying out ideas, etc. We will be using Jupyter in this course as our main working environment, as it is user-friendly and makes learning easier. In particular, in this short video, we will show you how to install Jupyter Notebook, assuming that you have followed the Conda installation instructions, which we showed you in the previous video. Next, we will show you how to access Jupyter and how to initiate a new notebook. Let's start. For the Jupyter Notebook, you need to install both Jupyter and Notebook. First, open your Anaconda prompt terminal. Remember that you need to activate the Conda environment by typing conda activate pydata-book. Following the procedure we learned in the previous video about installing packages, we can now install Jupyter by typing conda install-y Jupyter. Do so if you didn't install Jupyter as we showed in the previous video. Once the Jupyter installation is complete, we can type conda install-y notebook for the installation of the notebook. When the installation is complete, you can close the terminal by typing exit and parentheses. Congratulations! Now you can use Jupyter Notebook on your machine. Let us now access it. For this, let us open a new Anaconda prompt terminal. Again, we must activate the Conda environment by typing conda activate pydata-book. I won't be saying that every time we need to activate the Conda environment from now on. I will assume that you get the gist. Now, if we type Jupyter Notebook in the terminal and press enter, we are initializing the Jupyter Notebook. Your terminal window will look like this, and then a new tab will automatically start on your browser looking like this. This is the Jupyter environment. This looks more like a file management system, as it actually allows you to navigate through your folders on your computer. So in the future, you can actually find here all the folders and the files with your Python codes. In order to work with Python, you need to open a new Python notebook. For this, you go on New here. So again, here there are all the folders and files that you may have, and also some notebooks that you might have created. You go on New and press Python 3. And that is how you initiate a new Python notebook. There, you can click and change the title of your notebook and actually enter a title. I say expressions and I rename it. I rename my notebook expressions. And now I can start using it by typing Python commands, expressions, and statements in those lines. I just typed a value 42 and I pressed run, and all it gave me is 42. Now I continue by just typing various expressions and running run, so that you can see that I get an output from the Python interpreter. And this is, you can continue doing it every time a new line will appear. When you're done, you can save, and that creates a checkpoint that your work is saved. You can also close the kernel by pressing the stop. Then you can actually close this notebook. However, your notebook that has appeared there is not closed, is still running, so you can shut it down from there, or you can choose to delete it if you want to delete it, but you can shut it down from there. Your work is stored, and you can open again the notebook and see all your work in it unaltered. After you close your notebook, if you want to exit Jupyter entirely, then you have to quit also from this Jupyter environment page, and then you will receive a server stopped message that allows you to, it tells you that you have shut down Jupyter and you can now close this tab. Don't forget that you should also close your terminal by typing exit. That was all for the Jupyter Notebook, which will be one of our main working environments in this course. In this video, we saw how to install it using the conda install command and how to easily access it through typing Jupyter Notebook in your terminal. Remember that you need to first activate Conda in order for Jupyter Notebook to work. Once you have accessed Jupyter, you can work with Python by initiating a new notebook. Or you can continue previously started work by opening an existing notebook from your local folders. We will see more about Jupyter and Notebook and how to use it as we move forwards with the Python language in the following videos. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.